Why is TikTok not working properly? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So I think that you already know that TikTok has some problems at the moment. So some of you may not have the likes, so they just disappeared, and also the videos. So I had this problem a few moments ago, a few minutes ago, and I just had them back. And after I had them back, I received a message on my TikTok app, and it's this one right here. So I think that glitch was because TikTok is updating their privacy policy, and that's why we had that problem. And I know that some of you um, uninstalled your app and that you still have problems. So the solutions right here is just to wait for a little bit because they will fix that right away. So just so you know, you are not the only one, so that it's okay. If you are still experiencing problem for a longer term, you can go ahead and report this problem in settings, or you can just go to tiktok.com and then you can report your problem. So yeah guys, if you still have some questions, you can comment them in the comment section below, and we will talk about them and we will find some solutions for you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.